Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be giving you my first impressions slash demo slash review of the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and yogurt line. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to leave a big thumbs up down below. Also, while you're down there, check out my social media, add me on Snapchat, Instagram, and my La Vida Rosa Facebook page, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So last night I got my hands on the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair line. I have the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, the protein treatment, and the split-end balm. And like the rest of the products from Shea Moisture, there are no sulfates, no parabens, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil, no animal testing, and no petrolatum. Not that I'm just super conscious on what is in all of my products, but I just recently researched a little bit about sulfates because, you know, I've been hearing about it for a long time. For a long time, I've avoided using shampoo because it will always strip my hair of its natural oils, make your hair feel dry. Like, I feel like on every natural hair video they will always mention that, but they never tell you why. Type 4 hair and sulfates do not get along whatsoever. They really do strip your hair of its oils, and we trying to do everything to keep oil in our hair. And I also have to mention that all of these products have a beautiful scent of flowers and honey. So starting with the shampoo, I took a generous amount of the shampoo, and once I started really working it in there, lathering it up, I got a generous amount of suds. My whole head was just covered in suds, and usually when I first apply shampoo, it takes a while for me to get suds, but it really lathered up really quickly. Blended with certified organic shea butter, Manuka honey, and yogurt, this sulfate-free shampoo works alone to gently cleanse hair and strengthen strands from root to tip when used with our conditioner. And I was really surprised that when I rinsed the shampoo out of my hair, it didn't feel rough at all. It actually felt slightly moisturized, not completely, but I felt that there was still some moisture in my hair. So now I'm gonna move on to the conditioner. I don't know about y'all, but I tend to go overboard with using product. I always use lots and lots and lots of it. So I squeezed this bottle probably about 4 or 5 times very generously just to make sure I had all my bases covered on my hair, because I do have very thick hair and it's getting some length to it. So I want to make sure my hair is completely drenched, okay? And this is usually the time that I like to detangle my hair while I apply conditioner to it. So while I'm doing that, I'll let you know that it claims to soften, detangle, and infuse abused hair with intensive moisture with this nutrient-rich rinse-out conditioner. And I must say, as I was detangling, I could tell that it had lots of slip, and it very much made it easier to detangle. And once I did rinse the conditioner out, my hair did feel very moisturized, very soft, and I was very happy with the outcome. So at this point, I moved on to the protein power treatment. Not only is protein treatments great for dry brittle hair, but it's also great for color treated hair. It helps to rebuild anything that bleach or dye has taken away from your hair. So I always enjoy a good protein treatment. The protein treatment is very thick and it coats your hair completely when you put it on there. So I took my hand and made mini scoops out of this jar and applied it evenly to my hair. I was focusing more so towards the ends of my hair because my roots are decent, but the ends is what I'm more so concerned about, not only in this video but just in general. And it also mentions on the packaging that it may also be used as a pre-wash intensive treatment, so I might try that next time. But I let it sit on my head for 15 minutes and then I rinsed it out. My hair again felt moisturized, soft, and I felt like my curl pattern, the ends of my hair in particular, felt soft as well. So once I was done with that part of the process, it was time for me to twist my hair up. I decided to do flat twist. I started by spraying my hair with the multi-action leave-in. When I sprayed it on my hand, it did feel very moisturizing. The leave-in spray is very milky and it's a little bit thicker than your average spray. When you spray it on, you can actually kind of see it on your hair. I feel like it has a lot of the yogurt essence of the Manuka honey and yogurt line. I sprayed a generous amount of this leave-in conditioner to my hair as the first step. So since this line doesn't really have like a moisturizer to use, I decided to go with Old Faithful and use the coconut hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie, and I also used Jamaican black castor oil to work with the leave-in and moisturizing my hair, because I can't just use no spray. I need a thick cream or a moisturizer to work along with it. And so from there I began to twist my hair. And on the ends of my hair is when I applied the split end balm. The texture of it reminds me of like a stiff pomade, and you know, almost like a grease, but it's not greasy at all. It's just like, you know, it has sort of that feel. The pomade instantly seals and reduces the appearance of split ends and reduces breakage. It is a humidity blocking balm that holds rebellious ends together for a frizz-free, silky, smooth finish. So when I untwisted my hair today, the ends of my hair completely held their curl. I don't know if y'all can tell, but the ends of my hair are very defined, and I think that is because of this balm. And I'm really happy with the outcome of my flat twist. My hair itself feels really soft, and I feel like that leave-in conditioner had a lot to do with it. It feels very light as well. So all in all, not only does it smell amazing, but it worked really well with my hair. My hair actually loved it. My hair feels so soft. I wish you guys could actually feel my hair. Color treated hair, especially if you have a problem with brittle hair, split ends, I feel like this line would be perfect for you. So guys, I would love to know what you think about how my hair looks and this product. Will you be trying it? Also, I would like to know, what are some of your favorite Shea Moisture products? And I hope you enjoyed this video.